Okay, so I just got this thing partially built. I got to weld the ring on. This is a Kindling splitter of sorts, and the reason I haven't done a whole lot of videos lately is we're building a cabin, which we'll be up to this weekend, and that's where this is going. We've got a fireplace up there, and so I got a bunch of it's just 1x1 square tube, and the piece goes across here is 1x1 square tube, an old axe head, more 1x1 with some holes drilled in it just to screw it down into the log. And then this way, I gotta go weld this on right now. The wheel hub on my truck went out, and I just took and plasma cut it out the hub. You can see that's the 8 lug pattern for the Ford, and machine that, and gonna weld that on top and go with that and then see how it works. Okay, so we got her set up there. Got our 90 set on there, so it's gonna hold it nice and true. We just got it upside down on the welding table, and I'm gonna burn those in real quick and see how that goes. Alright, so we got those all burned in there. That should work. We'll clean that up, get her painted, stick your wood in right here, down on the blade, which I did go sharpen that up really sharp. So give them a whack with the hammer and see how that works. Alright, so we'll see how it works. I'd say that's pretty good. Let's go get it painted. I lost the tip out of that thing, so it's just splattering everywhere. Let me get that taken care of, and I'll just get this painted up and get back with you. Okay, there it is, all done. Anyway, that's how it turned out. That paint kind of just splattered everywhere, but we're gonna get a lot of use out of that guy up at the cabin. We'll take that up there and I'll show you. I'll get a video going what we've done up there all summer long. That's why I haven't posted any videos. That's taken up all my time. But we'll get up to the cabin. This guy's gonna hang up at the cabin too. We'll take him down and take him up there one of these days too. Good looking Utah bull elk. All right, thanks for watching.